all right, let's take this example, right? You sell a barbecue products.
Mm-hmm.
You're saying, not myself, you're saying that your high season is June, right?
Yes.
So I can guess you want to have inventory on Amazon around end of May. Is it realistic, Vova?
Oh, well, I'm saying that peak of sales, let's say if I'm selling like a barbecue brush today and it sells like 30 units a day, I'm telling you that in June it will be selling 150, let's say. Or some,
No,
let's say.
right. So I'm saying, no,
So
what I'm saying that if you want to have enough inventory on Amazon and doing PPC and so on, so you have to have the inventory around the end of May, right?
hopefully today already, but yeah, but yeah, something like
Right.
that.
So,
Let's say.
okay. So again, let's take this example. Today
Yes.
is March 21st. You're saying if you're starting production today, and let's say it will be tomorrow, right?
Yes.
So the end of production will be relatively around start of April, correct?
Let's say in the middle of this week, 23rd. On Wednesday, we'll start production. 23rd of March, let's say.
Right. So,
probably what's going to happen.
So
Hopefully,
let's take
yes.
30 to 40 days of production, right?
Yes.
So the goods will be ready around start of May, correct?
Correct, sir.
Right. So I'm telling you now, take my advice. The only way to reach Amazon on time is to go by Sea Express, by Super Express, not by Sea Express, by Super Express, when transit time is roughly about 20 to 25 days. So just think now, right? Of course, using Super Express shipping is a legit method, and it's the right way to do. But you can imagine that if you start your production 2 months ago, right, and not to say something against you, but you can imagine that if the goods would be ready today, or maybe by start of March, right, with better logistics planning, so you could use regular sea shipment and save hundreds of dollars just on the logistics side. So this is something I'm trying to explain all my sellers that trying to communicate with me. What does it mean to be or to have a good logistics mindset, and to understand your logistics and your stock limitation, and to prepare yourself accordingly. In my opinion, people always say to me, listen, logistics is not that interesting field. I have other things to do. I have PPC, I have whatever. Vova, you are the seller from us, right? I have other aspects on the business I have to run. So I'm saying always to them, listen, right, you are absolutely correct. And Amazon sellers and as an entrepreneur have to know to do a multiple task. Basically to say sellers trying to avoid from the logistics side, right? They're giving the logistics to a freight forwarder or to the supplier to do, but they don't understand with the right planning and the right logistics planning, you can save thousands of dollars. So it's something, maybe it's a lesson for all those sellers who are listening to us, doing the right planning and using your freight forwarder to plan your business throughout the year, in my opinion, is the key for long-term success and saving thousands of dollars on the logistics eventually.